Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about coding practice 4 in Java fundamentals. Let's get the first question. Validate password. First of all, in any programming language, first we have to understand the question properly. Then only we can solve the question. Okay, first understand the question like write a program to read a line of input and print true if the length of the password is greater than 7. Okay. The first line of input contains a word. The first line of output contains either true or false, like boolean values. So here sample output is password, like it has, let's check the characters of it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is less than 7, so we have to print false. If the length of the string is greater than 7 equal to 7, then we can print true. So here let's check input to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, greater than 7, so it kept true. First of all, we all know that how to scan the input. We are using import java.util. Then class main is all as it is. Public static void main string args is also, you know. Then scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, also know it is scanner function will scan the input given from the user. Then we are taking a string input, so with the variable s, c dot next line of l should be capital. Then we have to find the length of the string, so we are taking length integer value. Length s dot length of function will give us the length of the string. Then string p is equal to, here we are taking the string p, length is greater than 7, then print true, less than when false. Here if this condition is true, then the first input will be executed. If it is false, then the colon other side will be executed. Okay, system.out.println p. If we run this code, get the desired output, it is this. Okay, let's get into the next question. Between 25 and 75. Let's read the question. Write a program to read a single line of input which is an integer and print true if the integer is between 25 to 75. Okay, if the given number is between 25 and 75, then we have to print the true, otherwise it will be false. Here let's check the sample input. 20 is not in between 25 and 75, so we have to print false. 45 is in between 25 and 75, so we are printing true. Here the first of all, first line will be as it is, like import java.util class main public static void main string args are same. Scanner sc up to here everything is same. Now we are taking n variable as an integer variable to scan the input, that is integer input. Then we are taking string s is equal to this condition. If this condition is true, then the first value will be printed. If it is false, then the second value will be printed. System.out.println. Okay, we got the desired output. Let's get into the next question. Masking. Write a program that reads a single line of input and prints the first and last characters of the given input and print the star in place of the remaining characters. So the input will be a single line string. We have to print the first character and the last character. Remaining in between characters will be printed instead of characters. Stars have been printed. So for that we are taking scanner class main, public static void and scanners. Up to here every question is same. Then we are taking the string s as a variable for scanning the input. Then we are taking a char f is equal to s dot char at 0. This line will get the first character of the string, so we are taking f. Then int length of s. Then we have to calculate the length of string, and char l is equal to s dot char at length minus 1. Now this line will give us the last character of the string, because if the character length is somewhat called 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, here 10 is the length of the string, but if we write s dot char at 10, it will show some error. Length is extended, because length is one type of calculation, because it starts from 1, but whereas character indexing is different, because the character indexing is starts from 0, like 0 1 2 3 4 5, like so on 9. So we are taking here length minus 1, then we will get the last character of the string. So that then let's take string star is equal to stars. Now here we have to repeat the stars like length minus 2. Okay, system.out.println f means first character, that's why we took f, plus star dot repeat of. We are taking repeat function to repeat the stars length minus 2 number of times. Here length minus 2, because we are taking here 2 because of already we have taken q and first character and last character. We need between these characters as stars, so we are taking that length minus 2 number of stars plus last character. L means last character. So we are running this code. We got the desired output, that is this. Then we can submit the code. Here all test cases are passed. Okay, let's go to next question. Exam results. Okay, here let's read the question. Write a program that reads the student marks as input and print pass if the student has scored more than 50. In all other cases, print fail. Okay, if he scores more than 50, we have to print pass, otherwise we have to print less, fail. The first line of input is an integer. The first line of the output is the result of the student, either pass or fail. Let's get a sample input. Here 85 is greater than 50, so we have to print pass. 45 is less than 50, so we have to print fail. Yet we have to take in that up to here every program is similar. Then we are taking integer variable, because we are getting input as integer. Marks is equal to sc dot next int of. This function will get the integer value of where the input is provided. Then string r is equal to, we are taking string variable, so that we can provide boolean values. So here if marks greater than 50. If this condition is true, this will be executed. If false, this will be executed. Marks is greater than 50, print pass. If less than 50, print fail. System.out. This string R. Then we can run the code. Yeah, test cases are passed. Submit. Here we are using this kind of line to simplify the remaining lines of the code, because if we use if else statements, then also we can write this code, but it will be lengthy process. If we write this single line, it will compress the lines of the code, so that we are using this form. Last question, skip. Let's read the question first. Write a program to read 2 lines of input and print the word after removing the characters at the index. So that is, it is very simple coding question. A word will be given by the user, and second line will be the index value. So we have to remove that index character and print the remaining characters. So that we are taking the import java.util.star class main as from here up to here. Every coding question is similar. Then we are taking string s is equal to sc.next line of this function will be scan the given input line. Then int I is sc.next int of this function will scan the next line of input where integer is provided. Then we have taken length of the string. Int length is equal to s.length of function. If I is greater than or equal to length, I means index, greater than or equal to length, system.out.println completeness. Else string s1 is equal to s.substring of 0 to I. It will provide 0 to I means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to I. 4. I is not included because the indexing comes from length minus 1. Then s2 is equal to s.substring of I plus 1. Here then I plus 1 means, here we are taking I plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5, 6. It will go up to last character. Then we have adding these two strings by string concatenation. And we are printing the s3. So we can run this code. We got the desired output. Submit the code. Yeah, that's all about today's coding practice 4 topic. Thank you for watching the video. Please make subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.